morning all. Myself Tejashree Aishi. I am a founder of TJ's Dance and Fitness Studio. I have 2 fitness studio in Thane and about 200 clients. I am a Zumba instructor, a Pilates instructor, and my favorite workout form, I am a yoga instructor. Today I am been given the opportunity to interact with you on this yoga day, which is celebrated on 21st of June, and the celebration is worldwide since 2015, thanks to our honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. Yoga is a very vast topic. Yoga cannot be explained in just 4 to 5 minutes of interaction. But still, today I would like to tell you how important yoga is in our day-to-day life. How we can keep ourselves fit and healthy mentally as well as physically only through yoga. Now, word yoga is derived from Sanskrit, which means union. So the meaning itself says it is a union. So yoga is union of our mind with our soul to our physical well-being. So the word itself states everything, how important it is. So when you are fit mentally, when you get connected to your soul, you are fit physically. So that is what yoga is. It is a union of our mind with our body. And when we have union of our mind with our body, it is equal to, that is, mind plus body, healthy mind plus body is equal to a very healthy lifestyle. And how is it possible? But only and only through simple yoga. Now let me tell you how. Our body is made up of kapha, our body is made up of vata, our body is made up of pitta. So these 3 elements make our body. Now when there is imbalance of any of these 3, like if there is an imbalance of kapha, if there is an imbalance of pitta, that is the acid, then we have toxins in our body. Then how to control it? So yoga helps us in balancing all these 3 elements of our body. It calms our mind, it calms our vital organs. Okay, simple, the stretches that are available helps us to calm our brain and the vital organs, the heart, the liver and the kidneys. Simple stretches, any stretches you go, any stretches you just observe. So in simple yoga also, it helps us to keep this vital organs very strong, because yoga reminds you that you have to breathe. Prana, oxygen. In this day-to-day life, we've just forgotten how to breathe. Do we breathe? Sometimes we don't know that, are we breathing? Yoga reminds us of that. When we do yoga, always instructor tells us, inhale, exhale, calm, relax. This is what yoga is. It reminds you that you have to breathe. It reminds you that healthy breathing is so important, that when you breathe properly, you are healthy. Now let us speak about yoga in a current situation that we are facing, that work from home situation and the pandemic situation that we have. The stressful, the negativity all around us can be just overcome only with the help of yoga. Pranayam helps us to keep our mind calm, to keep our breathing healthy, asanas, that is the stretches, the different stretches we have in yoga. It increases our flexibility, it increases our muscle strength, it calms your nervous system. So basically yoga is a overall workout of the body from mind to your physical well-being. So my dear friends, it's very simple. Just 1 hour of yoga can help you to face any situation in your life. Today we have a fad of weight loss, weight loss, weight loss. But weight loss is not the only thing that we have to look upon. We have to see our mental well-being, we have to see our internal physical well-being also, and we are going to balance it only with the help of yoga. Gymming, aerobics, zumba, too good, very good form of exercises, but root of all the exercises is yoga. So yoga is a blessing that we have in India. There are more than 16 million people practicing yoga in US and other foreign countries. We have a gifted thing that our ancestors have given to us by the Patanjali. Yoga is a gift that he has given it to us. So yoga is a science. Live with it to have a healthy and very happy and very cheerful lifestyle.